My name is Scott Smith. I am the chef owner of the Curious Pig in my hometown of Peachtree City, Georgia. I really wanted to make sure when I came back here that I offered an amazing work environment for restaurant professionals. I offered a really diverse menu that has local sourcing and a lot of creative freedom for my staff. As time's gone on, we've had to replace air conditioning units. We've had to work on the water heater a few times. The last time we worked on the water heater, I knew immediately after having met Dale previously that he was the person to reach out to.
When Scott called Rinnai for us to come out and take a look at his current situation, we determined that the Demand Duo hybrid water heating system would be a perfect fit. The Demand Duo combines the storage of a tank with tankless technology. So you have capacity for high spike draws and demand, as well as the energy efficiency of tankless. So it installs just like a tank, but has more hot water capacity, quicker recovery, and no thermal stress, which to Scott simply means better performance and a longer life.
The R-Series Demand Duo is a perfect product for this application because it includes a 6-inch B-vent connection, which we can use our existing 6-inch B-vent at the facility. It also includes a gas dirt leg, so therefore the installers don't have to install that. We also have a integrated swivel connection for the gas and flex line. These components made for an easy installation for the installer.
These installation enhancements easily save the contractor hundreds of dollars so they could get in, install the unit, and then get on to the next job. We asked Scott if he would be interested in our worry-free hot water program, where he would pay no money up front for the equipment or the installation, have low monthly payments, and then never have to worry about any maintenance or service costs again.
Just on a personal note, if you're needing a hot water heater, Rinnai's new program, the Worry-Free Hot Water Program, is unbelievable. You get to take money that you would otherwise have to invest today, and you can use it to operate your business and then make low monthly payments over the lifetime of owning this equipment. And it just makes a lot of sense. And it's just really awesome to be able to have a piece of equipment that we know is going to operate and last for hopefully another 20 years.